do it on a potato.
All right, my little spud buddies, let's go. Locked and loaded. 1, 2, 3. There she is, my little potato queen. 5 minutes just to get it soft in there. No!
I'll just do it again because that's why I bought 3 of them, because I knew something would happen.
Dare I say she's even more ravishing than her ungrateful sister.
Back in the microwave. Perfect.
Good luck, my little baby. I love you.
She's bubbling in there. It's like her own little jacuzzi.
One time I was in a jacuzzi on a cruise ship and I met a man named Boris and he had no teeth and he told me all about Vietnam.
Look at her go. It's truly amazing what you can bloom when you put your mind to it.
It is so good. It's funny because potatoes really have no nutritional value, but boy, are they versatile. The sheer amount of sour cream I can consume in one sitting is criminal. I'm just gonna keep blooming things whenever I want. You want something to eat? I can bloom that. Oh, you want breakfast? I can bloom that. Oh, you want a snack? I can bloom that. What a fun way to eat a whole potato in one sitting. It's just another fun way to eat a potato. Potatoes are the best.